Tea tree oil has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. It is widely used as home remedies for many skin, scalp and hair problems, as well as used by the cosmetic industry. We will take a close look at how good is tea tree oil to help with dandruff. We will also look at the best ways to use tea tree oil for dandruff removal, so stay tuned to the end. Dandruff is a scalp condition characterized by dry, white flakes of dead skin. It may or may not accompany itching. A fungus called malassezia, which lives on everyone's scalp, sometimes becomes overgrown. This overgrowth happens either due to lack of hygiene or due to a medical condition. This causes dryness and white flakes on the scalp. The moisturizing and antifungal capabilities of tea tree oil are useful in getting rid of dandruff. It also reduces itchiness. Tea tree oil is a strong volatile essential oil which is normally used with a carrier oil. Scientists have also investigated the benefits of tea tree oil on dandruff. According to a 2002 study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology, researchers found that tea tree oil significantly reduces the microbial growth in subjects who used it against the subjects who were on placebo. They used 5% tea tree oil in shampoo. Now shampoos are available that include 5% tea tree oil. You can buy those shampoos and use them to get rid of dandruff. Otherwise, buy 100% pure tea tree oil. Online links are given below in the description box for ready reference. Add 10-15 drops of tea tree oil to your existing shampoo bottle and mix it well by shaking it vigorously. Use this shampoo every alternate day on your scalp. Protect your eyes from its contact. If the shampoo enters your eyes, then wash it quickly with warm water. Some people can be allergic to tea tree oil, so it is always better to do a patch test. Add 1 drop of tea tree oil to ½ teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix well and apply on your arm. Wait for a day to see if there is any allergic reaction. If there are no rashes formed, then you are not allergic to tea tree oil. You can then use tea tree oil in your shampoo to get rid of dandruff. Bottom line is that tea tree oil is good for dandruff. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.